In today's fast-paced world, practical experience is just a valuable asset, as valuable as academic knowledge. And that's why we are calling on universities to open their doors to real world of opportunities for the student. Imagine a world where college student can work on hourly basis, gaining valuable experience while still pursuing their degrees, their studies. It's a concept that strives world abroad and can revolutionize the education system at home here in India. By connecting startup companies with university students, we can create a win-win scenario. Students gain practical skill while startup can benefit a fresh perspective and fantastic talent. At Barefooter School, we are dedicated to fostering this connection. If you are a student with time to spare and seeking opportunities to apply your knowledge, contact us today. Let us unlock the full potential of education together. Join us in creating the future where every student can have a chance to thrive, learn and work practically. Thank you very much.